Hi. Today, let's look at website live chat in Chatwoot. It gives people a direct way to reach your team from your website, while every conversation lands in the shared inbox your team already uses. To set it up, go to Settings and create a new website inbox. Add your website details, choose a color that matches your brand, and write the welcome message visitors will see. Then add the teammates who should receive these conversations. With the inbox ready, Chatwoot takes you to the install snippet for your website. Copy the install snippet, paste it into your website code, and publish the change. From there, the widget is ready to meet visitors where they already are. Now the widget is live. A visitor can open it, send a question, and keep browsing while the message reaches your team. Back in Chatwoot, the message appears in real time alongside the rest of the queue. Labels keep the inbox organized, and the customer context shows where the conversation began. An agent can open the message, reply from Chatwoot, and the visitor sees the response immediately. That's website live chat, customer conversations from your website in the shared inbox your team already uses.